Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Another day of nursing school. I'll be showing you guys what I eat throughout the entire day. Having some yogurt, granola, and banana. So for breakfast today I'm eating some dairy-free yogurt and then throwing in some fruit and granola on top. Some other choices for breakfast usually vary from avocado toast, oatmeal, eggs. I love it all. Now I'm just gonna hop on Zoom and enjoy my breakfast. It's 11:25. I just finished. Guys, if you want to see how many emails I have right now, it's actually insane. Let's look. All of these are from today. This was this morning I already opened these, but like today. It's not even 12. Meal prepping for the week has saved me so much time, and this week for lunch I'm eating sweet potato nachos and some veggies. I will put the link in the description of the recipe. Let's go do some work. Adult Health 2, Maternal and Child Health, and Evidence-Based Practice the first 8 weeks of school, and then the second 8 weeks I will take gerontology along with maternal and child health, and then Adult Health 2. So we have our assignments and stuff posted in Canvas, so I'm really just looking at that now. And we have our clinical orientation tomorrow, and then we have class from Thursday and Friday, and clinicals start next week. And I'll be on a PCU floor. I'm really excited to see what that's like because I have no idea what is in store. These are blue light glasses. But guys, I'm upset, honestly. I bought my textbook online and it's saying that my transaction is being sent to customer service for review and they'll contact me as soon as it's ready and stuff. And like a lot of my assignments are gonna be done on this. I don't have to do anything this week though, so that's what's like giving me reassurance, but I'm like, why all this extra stuff? And I just did this Zoom like review session with my friend Hope. She just went to eat, but that was interesting. It was a lot of like children like the peds based medication calculation and like using lexicon and stuff, so that was new. But we finished going over this packet and then head to the gym. Dinner.
It look good, Leon.
Well, think about it. You have minutes here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you're trying to get to an hour, you gotta think about how many minutes are an hour, right?
Right.
It's time for the gym.
Thank you for wanting to verse for me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions of off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complication. I find it amazing the way that you tell your kids the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around.
For dinner, I am eating some tacos that I meal prep, some chicken tacos.
Yeah, your mind must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on.
I have clinical orientation tomorrow, and that is for what? Adult Health 1. So that's at 8 o'clock to 3. We're gonna go on site to our hospital and do all that. So I'm really just looking at if I need to print anything off. I'm pretty sure I do, and just kind of getting myself prepared for tomorrow. I'm gonna also finish up the MedCalc packet and then look at this homework assignment that I need to do. So yeah.